Hello, you are welcome. The question here may appear easy, but it's not as easy as you think. It says evaluate 8 divided by 2 bracket open 5 minus 1 bracket close plus 2 square times 3 minus 10. Now, some people might think that this thing will be easy. What some students will generally do will be to say 8 divided by, you say 5 minus 1, which is 4. And then they'll say 2 multiplied by 4. And then plus 2 square is 4 times 3. And then minus 10. And then they will now say it's equal to 8 divided by 2 times 4 is 8. And then plus 4 times 3 is 12. And then minus 10. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 plus 12 is 13. 13 minus 10 is 3. This is what some students will do, but it is actually wrong. It is not correct. So the right order to follow here is to first of all carry out whatever you have inside this bracket. Let's handle bracket using the rule of PEMDAS or BODMAS. So taking what is inside the bracket here, this is the right solution. I have 8 divided by 2 bracket open 4 bracket close, then plus 2 square is 4 multiplied by 3 and then minus 10, which is okay. Now the next step is to really apply BODMAS here. When we are moving from left to right, whatever division or multiplication comes first is what you will handle first. So don't forget, this is like 2 multiplied by 4. But we have to handle this division first before we handle the multiplication. So this will be equal to 8 divided by 2 now. So I'll write it as over 2. And then before the multiplication, don't forget there's like a multiplication here. So I'm saying 8 divided by 2, which is what I've written now. Then the multiplication times 4. The multiplication here multiplied by 4. And then plus 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. And then minus 10. Working further now on this, I have 8 divided by 2, which is 4, multiplied by 4, plus 12 minus 10. Now, the next thing for us to do is to multiply this one first. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So I have 16 plus 12, this 12, and then minus 10. So 16 plus 12 is 28. And then 28 minus 10 will give us the final answer as 18. So the correct answer is 8 and not 3. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that others can actually learn from it. Share the video so that they will learn from it. And then please, I'll see you in the next video.